ever heard about owl in medicine? If no, watch video till end. Before that, if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share, and Man Ki Baat hai, if you have any idea to share with us, then please inbox it. To my Mnemonics PG, this channel provides you tips and tricks to learn recollect med school topics in a better way. Without any delay, let's get started. Appearance is seen in case of verruca plana or plain words. It affects keratinocytes called as coilocytes having a perinuclear halo similar to owl eye. Condition where the owl eye appearance is seen in case of neonatal lupus erythematosus, where the erythematous scaly periorbital lesions are present, also known as raccoon eyes. Full eye inclusion body, which is seen in case of cytomegalovirus infection. Cells, also known as Reed-Sternberg cells, seen in case of Hodgkin's lymphoma. It is a type of lymphoma in which cancer originates from a specific type of white blood cells known as lymphocytes. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.